Today, we're unboxing two new scooters from Navee brand, and what's super exciting here that this is the first scooter brand I'm testing that has UL certified batteries. This is the S65C model that is UL certified. Came fully assembled, only need to be installed the handlebar, which is pretty fast and pretty easy. And this is the V40 model that is super compact and so light. Also well wrapped, but the package very thin and the box came open. Here are the both models side by side. I am impressed how well these two scooters are built. The V40, it's super compact and so thin, only weighs 36 pounds. The S65C weighs 60 pounds. I was not expecting to see this level of quality. The side panels look so fancy, feels high quality, heavy-duty dual suspension design, very similar to Idea Elite Prime, but more sleek, more polished, and only weighs 60 pounds versus Idea Elite Prime 64 pounds. And this model, it's faster. Specs. We have a rear hub motor rated 450 watts, maximum power delivery 900 watts. The battery is 36 volts, 15 amp hour capacity, maximum climb 22%. And we have 10-inch self-sealing tubeless tires. Very soft, high-quality rubber, dual brake system, and entire scooter is IPX5 waterproof. Maximum load capacity 265 pounds. But the most important here is the UL certification. We have the same handlebars design, the same grips, the same ring bell, the same throttle on both scooters. Now when it comes to frame construction, this is different starting from the top, going down, much thinner, much smaller, much lighter package. This here, I like this frame, side panels so nicely, very luxurious, very beautiful. This is similar to the Segway and the Idea Elite Prime, but just slightly more luxurious. Look at these lines here, so nicely done. And this plastic, not sure how long it will last because probably scratches easily. And it just looks beautiful, so glossy, good rubber, finish, good quality. I like the suspension. It's a cartridge, Dualtron type suspension, but it's so good. Front drum brake, the hub motor is in the back with regen braking, and here's how the rear suspension looks from underneath. Very nicely done, compact, smooth transition to the body, hidden so nicely underneath here. Look how well and even more compact, so nicely integrated is this suspension in the front. The deck rubber is so nice, very grippy, high quality. I like transition here, so when you step, it's actually meeting and it's filling this gap. Looks really cool. The same here, very good quality rubber, very grippy. Look how nicely this charging port is integrated. Looks really, really well put together. And this paint here is like a protection layer. Looks nice, that has this gunmetal feel, but it's a little bit not too much shiny, really, really nicely guys done. I like it. You have to see it in person. It just has this protective layer feel, but also looks really cool. So this model has drum brake in the front, the rear hub motor. Here we have mechanical disc brake in the back and the hub motor in the front. The V40 model has a front 300 watts hub motor, maximum power delivery 600 watts. The battery is the same 36 volt system, but half the size with 7.8 amp hour capacity. Folding mechanism the same on both models. You have this lever up, opens up, comes down, and here is spring loaded. And this nut goes into this housing. You lift it up, spring loaded, closes by itself. You only have to push the lever back down and it's locked. We have one button operation. Just hold the button and this is the menu, very basic. The battery level, we have the miles per hour, speed, and this is walking mode. So you double click, goes on D, sport, click one time and you have the lights on. That's pretty much it. Very basic, good grips, ring bell on the side here, and that's pretty much it. Let's see the top speed. So let's see first level walking mode. That's about 3 miles an hour. Let's go next mode. Very mild acceleration. Very comfortable, very intuitive. And it looks like 12 miles an hour. Maximum top speed. Good torque actually. And let's see sport. One hand, very stable. Wow, this is comfortable. Suspension is butter, so good. In the maximum speed setting, the scooter is quick, feels very light, very agile, has good acceleration, and the most important, it stays steady at 20 miles an hour. Range. The Navee S65C tested at maximum speed all the time. My weight was 235 pounds with the backpack and the gear. Super smooth ride, and I managed to cover 19.9 miles in range. I need to emphasize that for 15 amp hour battery and 42 volt system, this is pretty efficient. Hill climbing. Base of the hill, Central Park. This is the steepest hill. Let's see how it does. And I have to emphasize, this scooter is the most compact, most comfortable scooter I tried so far. It is butter smooth. The suspension, it's not even spring or coil suspension, just like cartridge, like Dualtron, but it's so good, like so smooth. And this is the hill right here. Other e-bikes actually do here between 15 to 20 miles an hour top speed. So 14, and kind of stays there. It doesn't drop speed, so it's very, very stable. Look at that, 14 all the way through. This is the steeper part. Let's see if it gets back up with the same speed or lower. Back to 14, look at that. That's pretty stable. This is not bad at all. Almost made it to the top, and it's 15 now. Back 14. So 15, 14. Yeah, this is really good for this size, for this scooter. I think this is perfect. And it is limited 20 miles an hour, so going downhill, and look, it doesn't want to pick up any more speed. So I can feel regen kicking in, probably charging now back the battery. Pretty dope scooter. Very chill, very comfortable ride. This front section is pretty bad, and the GoPro 10 that I actually use right now, it's picking up all the noise and it's actually amplifying the noise. So let's see how this scooter will perform there. And I'm pretty sure suspension will be really quiet because it's so good. Not sure what the mic picks up, but this is perfect. The suspension is dead silent, no shake, no rattle, good travel, and makes up for a very comfortable ride. I am impressed how good this is. And this scooter retails for $900 only. And this suspension is better than scooters that are in $1,000 to $1,500 price range. Lights. Very bright. Close up here. Actually, a very good light, decent width, and enough throw. Perfect for the city, and you can actually, ride this outside the city in the trails where it's completely dark. This is a very good light in the front. Let's check the back. Also, look how bright this is. And we have even brighter active rear brake light. Very good lights. Now, let's take a look at the V40 model. This scooter is super light and compact, but let's see how it performs. Here on this model we have different screen design, different stem going down, and the rest pretty much the same. One button operation menu, and we have double click, walking speed, D and S. So let's see how much it does in sport. Wow, this one is very zippy. Has a very good torque and a lot of kick. Very quick scooter. Not really good spot to test the top speed, but picks up really fast, as you can see. And it's so light, so nimble. This thing is fun. Let's see if we can stretch to the maximum speed. 20 miles an hour, it looks like it's top speed, but I guess they're so quick. This thing is super rad. Now, not having suspension is gonna suck on the bad roads. Now, not having suspension is gonna suck on the bad roads. But this is, you know, a compact solution for those that don't care about, you know, comfort that much, and they want something very compact, very small, very portable. So this fits the bill. And I'm impressed how quick this thing is. This is probably the fastest scooter and 30-pound weight limit that I've tested so far. It just gets to 20 miles an hour in no time. It's so nimble. Brakes are good. Let's do a quick tail test here on 41st Street and 3rd Avenue. Let's see what it does here. Yeah, this is kind of slow. Let's see if it's gonna manage to get all the way to the top. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, 10 miles an hour, the slowest speed. Not great, but look, it's small. It's only a 300-watt motor, so it is what it is. Let's see how much range we get out of this. Maybe they set it up so you get more range and not discharge too much, and also don't put too much pressure on the battery. We'll see, but so far on the flats it's doing pretty well. Look at this, picks up speed really fast on flats. And this thing is tiny, it's so small. Let's check the lights on this model. So this light is actually adjustable versus the previous model, which is mounted and it's fixed into the frame, into the stem. Here you can adjust up and down, and compared to all other scooters that are in this size, super light, super compact, this light is actually very bright. You can see it, you know, reaches really far, and it's a very wide spill. Love it, guys. Really powerful light. And it's not that, you know, dark here. You have lights all around, so just look in the back. This light is even brighter, and like previous model, super bright, and we have a rear active brake light. Amazing lights. Range. The Navee V40 tested at maximum speed all the time. My weight was 235 pounds with a backpack. No suspension here, but the 10-inch pneumatic tires helped a lot, and I managed to cover 14.5 miles. For this size, for 7.8 amp-hour battery capacity, this is insanely good results. I reviewed a lot of super compact scooters on the channel, and from all of them, average speed between 16 to 18 miles an hour top speed, and acceleration is gradual on the slow side, expected from 250 watts up to 500 watts. This V40, it's a completely different build. So torquey and so fast, 0 to 20 miles an hour. This is the fastest compact scooter I tested so far. Well built and so portable. These two models from Navee are high quality products and performance. I was expecting slow, boring, compact, and these two turn out to be well put together, very zippy scooters. Perfect and fun for daily rides. S65C is the first UL 2272 certified scooter. I wish the V40 was also UL certified. The suspension is amazingly smooth on the S65C. Best I tried so far on this size scooter. Beautiful design. The V40 looks like a standard e-scooter that you see all around in a city, but it stands out in impressively quick acceleration and punchy torque, but still maintaining low weight and super compact size. The link will be down below in the description box, check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.